In this video, I'm going to show you how to track intraday drawdown on Tradovate. Now to do this, there's actually different ways. I'm going to show you one, which I do think is the easiest. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to show you how to actually do this, one of the ways to track it, okay? So I'm going to go to the plus button top left and click on Add Modules. And then you want to scroll down and you want to drag and drop these accounts somewhere down here. So I'm just going to put them over here as one of my tabs. Then you want to select accounts and you want to go to the far right and click on View Settings inside the Accounts tab, and then click on Select Columns. Whenever you've done this, we're going to add a few things in here. Now, again, it's up to you. I'm just going to show you what I use over here, and of course, the option you have to track this. So what I usually do is use cash amount. I'm going to drag and drop the cash amount in here like that. Then the second one I have is going to be the dollar total P&L, so I'm going to drag and drop it here. Again, you can scroll up and down to find it. Usually they're kind of mixed up over here. They may not be sorted alphabetically. And then here, the third one I'm going to have was added automatically, so it was the dollar open P&L. Then what I'm going to do is actually find the drawdown auto, so it's going to be over here. There we go. This one over here, the drawdown auto liquidation level. And then I'm also going to add the drawdown. So there's another one over here. It's called, let me actually find it in here for you. So it's called, yeah, it's actually this one. It's this drawdown over here. I'm going to click on this one and drag it down as well. And then I'm going to also look for account status. So I'm going to put it over here. Now, of course, you can customize this even more. I'm going to leave it like it is and click on the save button. And there we go. Okay. We have all of the things over here. Again, you can change them if you want to, but essentially whenever you do some trades. So for example, if I go into a buy order
rejected
here, it was rejected right now because of course the markets are currently closed for me, but you get the point. It's going to essentially go ahead and give you down here your this drawdown, the drawdown auto, etc. And that way you can track your intraday drawdown on Tradovate, okay, using these metrics down here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.